I'm going to share in less than 5 minutes one of the three reasons why you get a knot, kind of the hot spot in your upper back, that shoulder blade area, when you play golf. You see, as we get older, life gets busier and we start ignoring those minor aches and pain. Over time, these compound, causing to have unknowingly physical limitations, especially in your backswing. And sometimes it does happens in the follow through. Now, you don't know what you don't know. But after this video, that will change. And more importantly, if you incorporate these steps in your weekly practice, you will see the difference in ease of your backswing in 10 days or less. If you want a copy of this 4 step, just let me know below. My name is Carlos, and I'm a golf therapeutic trainer. I've been working with beginners to scratch golfers for over 18 years to get them to their natural swings effortless. And one of the things I know for certain is each golfer has his natural swing style. However, injuries and past medical history tend to impede this natural flow unless you go through these 4-step process. First, let me give you a third grader 10,000 bird eye view of what happens on your backswing and probably the reason why you have that hot spot of pain. First, the golf is what we call a posterior chain sport. A lot of action happens because of the muscles along the back of your body. Secondly, your shoulder blade, your collarbone, your shoulder joint itself have to move synergistically for your backswing to keep proper form throughout. And that includes your external rotation. And we often refer to this as the serving tray position. That might be more familiar to you. Now, the third thing is very important. Your brain will do whatever it takes to keep those joints safe, including but not limited to changing your club face, your swing path, and much more. So, in order to get rid of that hot spot pain in your upper back, so you don't have to be walking around with that hook cane or like a muscle stimulator to relax them, we need to release and lengthen the mid traps so your shoulder blades have actual room to wind inwards and downward during the backswing. Now, we also need to do the same thing for the collarbone. That means your pecs and your neck muscle. Now, here comes the black swan of this whole process. Your external rotators. You need these to be ready to fire smoothly once released out of the backswing. Hence, that's another reason for you to slow down your backswing. Now, one of the easiest ways to get this done is by doing dumbbell scapula rows versus the regular back rows. One way to think about it is you want to do less squeezing and more winging in your shoulder blades. Like I said at the beginning, if you want an actual copy of this 4-step, so you have the proper form for your backswing, and you can avoid that messing up of your sequence, just type the word release below. And if you want even better chest to target turn, so your chests are more consistent, just check the next video